God who cares about the small things. This is a story for anyone who's ever lost something small and felt like giving up. A story about a river, a borrowed axe, and a God who cares about the tiny cracks in your day. Elisha, a prophet of God, taught a group of young men near the Jordan River. They were building a simple meeting place, chopping wood, laughing, learning. One student borrowed an expensive iron axe, but as he swung it, the head flew off, plunging into the muddy water. Panic struck. "This isn't mine," he cried. "How will I repay this debt? I'll be ruined." The others stared, unsure how to help. But Elisha, calm as dawn, stepped forward. "Where did it fall?" he asked. Elisha cut a branch from a nearby tree. He tossed it into the river where the axe sank. Suddenly, the iron head floated to the surface as light as a leaf. The student gasped. "But iron doesn't float," Elisha smiled. "With God, even the impossible becomes simple. Pick it up." The man waded into the water, trembling hands retrieving the axe. Relief washed over him, not just for the axe, but for the lesson. God sees your small struggles. This story isn't about axes. It's about a God who notices, the key you lost rushing out the door, the silent tear you wiped at work, the prayer you whispered too quietly to hear. We think miracles need earthquakes or parted seas, but sometimes they're as quiet as iron floating. Why? Because God wants you to know nothing is too minor for His care. Maybe your axe head is a mistake you can't undo, a bill you can't pay, a fear you can't voice. Here's the truth. Bring it to God, even if it feels silly. To watch for His quiet solutions, a helping hand, an unexpected check, a sudden peace. Remember, if He can float iron, He can lift you. If this story reminded you that you're seen, subscribe for more gentle Bible moments. Drop it home in the comments if you've had a floating axe moment. And tonight, rest easy. Your smallest worries are safe in His hands.